Hello guys, I hope you are doing good. In this video we are gonna make a launchpad. So let me delete this first and um, let's create a blueprint class and call it BP launchpad. Let's open it and add static mesh and add box collision. So let's set our static mesh as cube and let's scale it, and also let's place our box collision and scale it also. And on box collision, let's add event on component begin overlap. If other actor is our player character, if branch true, what we want to do, we want launch our character. And let's set z value like 1000. So let's test it. As you can see, it's launch our character, but when we fall on the platform, it's don't or a few long launch our character. It's because when we fall, our z value turns negative. So what can we do? We can overwrite z. As you can see, it's launching same every time. So this is the basic launchpad. So let's add something also. First, I'm gonna add an animation on this static mesh. Okay, so let's add a timeline, and length is 0.2. Let's add two keys. First one is 0 and 0, and the second one is 0.2 and value is 1. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna set relative scale 3D. New scale 3D is, let's lerp vector. So I don't want to change z value, so let's set z is 0.25, alpha is new track, and let's x and y set x and y 1 on A. On B, let's set it 1.2. Let's look. As you can see, it's close. So how we are gonna reverse it? Add a custom event, reverse scale, and on finish timeline, call reverse scale. Let's check it. As you can see, it's glowing and turning back normal. Okay, so the last thing I want to add is, let's turn this launchpad as a trampoline. I don't know how to spell it. So let's on player character get velocity, break vector, let's multiply it negative 1.5. Let's look if it works. Yep, as you can see, it's launch our character always higher, and animation looks good. So after a bit higher, it's don't launch. I don't know, because it may be about our z speed is too high, so collision can detect. But oh, yep, that's enough. So why we multiply it negative 1.5? Because as I said, when we fall, our z value is negative, and for the make it positive, we have to multiply negative 1.5. So negative multiply positive, you know. But if you don't want to set it a trampoline, you can just break this velocity z and set whatever you want. Also, let's create a variable float. Also, I'm just gonna set it instance editable, so we can set on the scene that's on the map. Okay, or we can use it. I'm just gonna use this trampoline one, but that's it. I hope you like it. If I couldn't explain myself, I'm so sorry about that, because English is not my native. So see you next time.